Hayakallah, Shaykh. Jazakallahu khair. What does the Sharia say, and what do the ulama advise about hitting your children, like for disciplining after they're 7 or 10 years old, when they're of age?
Yeah, don't put him in the corner and hit him as if you're in a boxing ring. The best way to deal with the child is to prevent him from doing things. This is the best thing. And if you want to hit after a 10 years, don't hit so hard, just to show him that you are upset. But at the same time, this is advice from a father. You have to give him, when you hit him, forget the days he's good and nice, you give him. And you give him a gift, and you take him, and you buy him something. And after a few days, you got upset from him. He knows whatever you do, not because you hate him, because he has history with you, that you love him, because the other day you took him, and you buy him, and you be nice to him, you kissed him. So give him love, and teach him when he doesn't stay. By doing this, he will know that you are not doing it because you hate him. But if you do it one way, as we mentioned, whenever he does something wrong, you blame him, put him down, and you hit him, will put hate towards you, and he will be aggressive with his friends, and he will hit everybody he met. You have to be balanced. You show him love. I'm very sure when he gets old, he'll tell you, Jazakallahu khair, what you have done because you stopped me from doing so on. He knows that you're doing that for him because you love him and you do care about him. الشدة والقسوة عليه أكثر من لازم. This is one of the mistakes we do also, to be so tough on him. As soon as they make a mistake, you hit him so hard. Even if it's the first time. Whenever they do a small mistake, you give him hard time and you those bad things. Sometimes you don't give them a chance to be, correct themselves or change to be to the best, because the way you deal with them, you put them down. As I said, the first mistake, if he lie one time, you call him kadab, liar. All the time you call him kadab. If you steal or take something from that, you tell him, you sarq, thief, all the time. And another thing, we have to know the mentality of the children also. This is by itself, it's a new world. Knowing the mentality, because they are not at the same level. Some of them, they get upset so easy. Some of them, they are quiet. Some of them, they can deal with them with one word. Some of them, you have to sit with them, and they want them, all of them, to be they can order.
Assalamu alaikum, ahsanallahu ilaykum, wa barakallahu fikum. Shaykh, sometimes we see that when a father is disciplining his children, the mother interfere and stop him in front of children. Sometimes this causes the children to continue with disobedience and misbehavior to the point where they can no longer be disciplined, and sometimes this happens from the father as well. What can you advise parents in this regard in terms of allowing the other parent to discipline the child, and what harms can arise from this?
This is one of the bad things that happen in the house. We're talking about the good parents. They know how to deal with their children. If one of them wants to educate and to say something, to give a lesson, stop them from playing because she saw something bad, and I think the father will help say, listen to your mother. Don't do this. Don't do that. She is doing this for your own sake. And the same thing, the father will help his child, and he saw something bad. And I'm talking now in a good situation. And both of them, they are really looking for the benefit of the child. So they shouldn't do that, because this is fact, and he will take advantage. If the other does it once, whenever somebody fight him or stop him, he will run to the other one. Allah, Dad, I don't love you, because he is kissing me. He will say, khalas, let him, don't do anything to him. And if the father wants to tell him, don't do that, this is wrong, he will run to his mother. And this is too bad stuff. So they have to agree on policy where to raise the child on good manner and a good behavior. One of the things, it's bad raising the children, تنشئة الأولاد, you raise them على الخوف والهلع والفزع. You raise them upon fear and faza. They get scared so easy. I'm trying to combine between something mentally and at the same time in Sharia. Sharia doesn't want you to do such thing. When the child cries, tell him, be quiet. And sometimes back home, or maybe in here also, when a child does something, we tell him, a ghost will come you. Be careful, somebody will take you. Don't go outside, there is somebody, children. So this is all those bad words, and without knowing, will affect the mentality of the child. So don't teach him to be somebody gets scared so easy from anything. And this is one of the bad The worst thing when you make him get scared from the teacher or from the school itself. And some of them tell him, if you don't be quiet, the doctor will come here and give you a shot. All this, and we think it's something goes by without affecting the child. No, it will affect the child. So be careful about this. And sometimes when the child يقع على الأرض, fall down on the floor, we get scared, especially when we see the blood. He should say Bismillah, don't worry about it, smile at his face. So in the future, he won't get scared from the blood. Those small things, you think it's so easy and you don't pay attention to, but this will help to build a good and a strong personality. Because if you made him get scared from anything, you are losing your child and he is going to be coward and